Have you ever wondered what Tesla has planned for the future? Many people are listening and watching for any updates about the top electric vehicle manufacturer. Supporters and detractors alike remain alert for any updates. Nevertheless, you wouldn't want to miss this. Elon Musk said on Twitter on March 2nd, 2022, that he was working on Masterplan Part 3, even though Part 2's objectives haven't been fully met. A third plan might suggest that the second plan is doable. With its FSD beta program, Tesla has advanced significantly, and Elon Musk has reiterated that the company will deliver FSD later this year. Next year is when the Cybertruck and Semi will go into production. Musk replied to another Twitter user with some details about the third stage of his master plan, albeit he hasn't yet disclosed the entire plan. Mumu created a new function called the industrial chain before moving on. Let's say you wish to discover which stocks might change over the next several days or months. You will greatly benefit from the industrial chain. It offers a thorough overview of the hottest sectors, such as semiconductors and electric vehicles. Finding stocks quickly, either upstream or downstream, allows you to concentrate and trade on specific industrial segments more rapidly. Additionally, since segments and industries are related, you could forecast price changes more quickly without having to read a lot of research papers to understand the relationships inside a single industry. Description contains a link. Elon Musk, CEO of Tesla, tweeted, "Main Tesla subjects will be scaling to extreme size, which is needed to shift humanity away from fossil fuels and AI, but I will also include sections about SpaceX, Tesla, and the Boring Company." We can see a lot more about Tesla's plans thanks to this tweet. It is increasingly evident that scaling to enormous sizes will play a crucial role in the strategy to wean humanity off of fossil fuels. It should be mentioned that Tesla announced a goal to sell 20 million cars by 2030. It appears that a third strategy will deal with how to meet or even surpass this goal. Even with its rapid expansion, Tesla's market share remains very small, roughly 1% of all vehicles sold. Extreme scaling is required to move away from fossil fuels in a meaningful sense. The production of batteries is what prevents future scaling. The mining of rare earth minerals, such as copper, lithium, nickel, cobalt, etc., which are necessary for the production of batteries, is specifically the main bottleneck. For this reason, mining for rare earth minerals may be the focal point of Tesla's Master Plan Part 3. What role do SpaceX, AI, and the Boring Company play in mining, then? According to one notion, the Boring Company might build the land environment and tunnels required for raw material extraction. Raw material mining might be done ethically and safely with the help of the Tesla bot. Starships could be used by SpaceX to move raw commodities across large distances quickly and affordably. The business may consider using batteries for pre-built homes, HVAC systems, and other applications if the battery limiting issue is effectively resolved. Another possibility for Tesla's Master Plan Part 3 is the company's evolution into an AI and data-driven enterprise. After all, Elon has declared time and time again that Tesla would be perceived primarily as an artificial intelligence startup. The business has been concentrating on finding solutions for real-world AI, and on AI Day, it unveiled the Optimus humanoid robot. Some people think it's great to have a Part 3 because, despite all of his flaws, Musk has done a great job of largely adhering to those plans. Experts' conclusions suggest that mining for rare earth minerals could be the focal point of Tesla's Master Plan Part 3. In mid-September, rumors that Tesla was considering constructing a lithium refining facility in Texas quickly gained traction. It was discovered that Tesla, a US-based automaker, is studying whether it would be feasible to construct a battery-grade lithium hydroxide refining plant on Texas Gulf Coast in order to assist the production of batteries for electric vehicles. According to Reuters, the automaker stated in a letter to the Texas Comptroller's office that it intends to construct the plant, claiming it to be the first of its kind in North America to transform raw materials into a viable state for battery production. It is anticipated that trucks and rail will be utilized to transport lithium hydroxide, a crucial component of EV batteries, to the many plants that manufacture Tesla batteries. According to CNBC, Tesla's intention to invest in the new refining facility in Texas is reportedly dependent on its ability to obtain relief from local property taxes. The intended location of the plant would provide access to the shipping channel along the Gulf Coast. In the application, the automaker stated that, in order to support Tesla's sustainable product line, it is also taking into account the processing, manufacturing, and refining of alternative battery materials, as well as ancillary manufacturing processes. The article points out that Elon Musk, the CEO of Tesla, stated earlier in the year that if lithium prices rise, the company may go straight into large-scale mining and refining. The company intends to begin building the lithium facility in the fourth quarter of 2022, subject to approval, with commercial production expected to begin by the end of 2024. If Tesla chooses the Robstown location, the project is expected to generate 162 employment. According to the firm, commercial operations are expected to commence by the fourth quarter of 2024, while construction may start as early as the fourth quarter of 2022. Compared to the traditional method, Tesla's new factory will employ cutting-edge procedures that require less dangerous reagents and produce usable byproducts, according to Bloomberg News. When automakers try to secure the supply of lithium, which has seen a price increase this year due to growing demand from the sector, Tesla may be the first in the industry to directly participate in lithium refining. Currently, Tesla, in collaboration with Panasonic, operates Gigafactory Nevada, where it produces batteries for its electric vehicles and energy storage products. Additionally, the business intends to start producing batteries at its recently constructed Gigafactory Texas, which is situated just outside of Austin. Although the state that will offer Tesla the most alluring tax advantages is still up in the air, Texas would seem to be the frontrunner given that the company already operates in the Lone Star State. Tesla moved its global headquarters from California to the Austin region last year, and in Gigafactory Texas, it is now increasing the production of electric vehicles. Less than 20 miles separate Tesla's potential lithium refining location in Robstown from the port of Corpus Christi, while the company's current Austin area factory is less than 200 miles away by car. Based on my study utilizing worldportsource.com, any site in Louisiana adjacent to one of its seaports would be significantly farther away from Tesla's current Texas facilities. So it appears exceedingly improbable that the Pelican State will host a Tesla lithium refinery unless its economic package significantly outweighs whatever Texas has to offer. Tesla will undoubtedly be considering meteorological conditions as well, since hurricanes frequently occur in the U.S. Gulf Coast. Still, it is not shocking that Tesla may have intentions to produce lithium. Elon Musk, the CEO of Tesla, declared during the firm's 2020 Battery Day that the business had acquired 10,000 acres in Nevada, where it intended to use a proprietary technology it had created to extract lithium from clay deposits. Tesla has yet to reveal what lithium feedstock it uses. It intends to employ in the lithium hydroxide refinery for batteries that it is thinking about building. The company might have created a method for extracting clay, but it doesn't appear that anyone is using clay to produce lithium on a large scale for commercial purposes. Owning a source of battery-grade lithium would benefit Tesla and its investors, since it would allow it to better manage its supply chain and reduce the likelihood that a global shortage of this essential battery component would negatively impact its operations. At some point, Tesla may potentially benefit financially in addition to from increased availability. In August of 2006, Musk wrote a blog post titled "The Secret Tesla Motors Masterplan Just Between You and Me." Musk unveiled his master plan for Tesla in this blog post, outlining the CEO's long-term goals for the company's growth over the course of the next 10 or so years. The article goes into great detail, but it concludes with a synopsis that lays out the main ideas in 4 steps. First, create a sports car, then use that money to create an affordable car. Third, use that money to create an even more affordable car. And last, while doing all of the above, offer options for producing electric power that emits no emissions. Musk followed up with the Tesla Master Plan Part 2 on July 20th, 2016. The word "2" in French means two, and Part 2 arrived when Tesla completed the final 2 stages of the original plan, producing the Model 3 and purchasing SolarCity. Similar to the previous master plan, Musk concluded with a description of the second master plan that included the following objectives. 1. Build beautiful solar roofs with seamlessly integrated battery storage. 2. Broaden the range of electric vehicles to cover all market segments. 3. Use massive fleet learning to develop a self-driving capability that is 10 times safer than manual. And finally, make your car profitable when you're not using it. Under the new Tesla Energy division, Musk also stressed the convergence of energy storage with renewable energy generation. Fans of Elon Musk and Tesla are generally confident that Musk will find a way to accomplish these objectives. More opportunities for the company's future development will arise if that occurs. To see even more bizarre Tesla news, subscribe to this channel.